A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi made remarks on electoral bonds and central agencies, opposition leaders have reacted sharply, calling his comments into question. PM Modi, in an interview with ANI, praised the Enforcement Directorate for their work, highlighting that around 2,200 crore rupees has been recovered in cash by the Central Graft Agency during his tenure. Criticizing his praise for the ED, Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi said that PM Modi's BJP has become a safe haven for corrupt individuals because political leaders with income tax cases against them joined the ruling party to get a clean sheet from the government. Echoing a similar stance, TMC leader Shashi Panja also hit out at the Prime Minister, saying he is praising the ED because it is under his direction, an indication that Graft Agency is chasing every political party that is against the BJP.
कानून बेशक हमारे समय में था, पर उसका दुरुपयोग नहीं था। उसका दुरुपयोग अब हम देख रहे हैं। अब लोग ये कहते हैं कि जिस पे इनकम टैक्स का केस है वो भाजपा में शामिल हो जाए तो उसका इनकम टैक्स का केस खत्म हो जाएगा। तो मतलब भाजपा के अंदर वो सारे फरेब हैं, वो सारे फ्रॉड करने वाले लोग हैं, वो सारे सिंडिकेट से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, वो सारे भ्रष्टाचार से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं। तो एक भ्रष्टाचार का एक अगर कहीं भ्रष्टाचारियों को कहीं अगर शरण चाहिए तो वो आश्रम भाजपा बन चुका है।
Countering PM Modi's remarks on electoral bonds, in which he said that scheme was aimed at curbing black money in elections, Congress leader Manish Tiwari alleged that the scheme was the most institutionalized corruption that can be carried out in a democracy. Both the person taking the money and the person giving it were not known. It has been proven by the decision of the Supreme Court that on one side go ED and CBI and on the other side come electoral bonds, he added. In a similar stance, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also criticized the Prime Minister's remarks, alleging that the bond scheme was one of the biggest extortion schemes and the Prime Minister was the mastermind of the scam. He added that the Prime Minister is giving interviews because he was caught.
तो ये प्रधानमंत्री पकड़े गए हैं, इसीलिए ये एएनआई को इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं। मैं बता रहा हूं, सुनो, ये पकड़े गए हैं। ये दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एक्सटॉर्शन स्कीम है और इसके मास्टरमाइंड नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं। अगर आप उनकी आंखों में देखें, मैंने देखा नहीं है, मगर अगर आप उनके एएनआई के इंटरव्यू में उनकी आंखों में देखेंगे तो आपको वो झलक दिख जाएगी।